And I think we're live. What's going on? Welcome to another episode of Damage TV. This is Damage Creator. Peep the face. We back with another video, and today we're getting ready to do another unboxing. Today's package. I will upload this video, and then I'm going to record the next video. It'll be part 2 of the wishing of the wish haul. I got another item from my wish order. The other one's supposed to come like September 30th. Hopefully they'll come earlier than that. But today is not all about Wish. It is all about Simblr. And we're going to get into this. Before we do, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And share wherever you share cool stuff. Please share this video. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So we got this amazing box from Simblr. This is their Makeena. Yes, this is the Makeena Mix Sampler box. I got 2 items from this particular brand, company, whatever you want to call it. And I actually have been trying to, find new brands on Simblr to kind of mess with, and I believe that these are one of them. So let's go ahead and see what we got. Let's see. How do we open this? Okay, let's see if we can try it this way. I got my trusty scissors. Well, one of them. I do have my knife too. I think I'm going to have to go through my knife as well. You guys get to watch me unbox. I think I might have to use my knife. Hold on, let me get my knife. See, I'm prepared today. Haha, I'm prepared today. I also got something from Garnier, but if you don't know from previous reviews, I hate sachets, but I'll throw it in there if I want to. Oh, that's one slip. There we go. Now we are unboxing the package. What the freak? Oh. Ooh. Okay. So let's start with. Let's get these cards out here. Let's start with that first. So we got a card. Let's start with the first one. This is from Path of Life. They're I believe they're a organic food company. It's simple, delicious frozen quinoa, cauliflower, and rice blends. It is gluten-free, non-GMO, and it is plant-based. So this is a plant-based food company. Very good. I got a coupon from them, and I can simply just try a free bag. Really cool. So I see quinoa, kale. That's the original, and then they got a Tuscan Quinoa blend, and I believe it says that they have something new, rice cauliflower blend. So that's pretty cool. Let's see what it says. Not so fried rice cauliflower blend. Okay, so that's pretty good. And they even have a recipe for quinoa and kale salad. So that is pretty good. I would actually like to try this. It's probably at Whole Foods or Wegmans or Weis. Next up, we have something from Bromley's for Men. This is their razor. And it says, meet your blade's new best friend. 7 blades, baby. Moisturize that mug and get a grip on it. They are exclusively available at Kroger. And you can also find them on BromleysForMenGrooming.com. So they have exfoliating scrubs. They got a scrub cream, and they got mug wipes. But what I believe I got was the razor. So let's check that out. Open this bad boy up. Oh, I see a coupon as well. Oop, bubble wrap. Oh, this is nice. Nice little razor. Pretty nice right here. Love the packaging. So we can open from here. I love the packaging. Oh, and it's like a try me. Oh, ooh. Okay, I like the grip. Ain't no replacement blades. Oh, that's fine. I'm just go with the razor because Lord knows I need another razor. But okay, is it like? Oh, it's a push up, not like that, not like the Gillette ones. Okay, so that's pretty good. There is 7 blades on here. Awesome detail. I absolutely love the design. It's very nice. The design is perfect. Okay, beautiful design. Nice grip. It's some really nice grip. You know, despite other razors I've used in the past, this is a really nice grip. I love it. My only thing is probably this mechanism right here, and I thought I saw a fly. This mechanism right here, I'm not really a huge fan of this, but you know, I won't deduct points off of them because this is a razor, so I don't expect it to be like the holy grail of razors. Okay. So yeah. Oh, there is a coupon. I totally forgot. I'm gonna put this over here. Oh, save $1.50 for 1 Bromley's men shave or grooming products. So I see they have shaving cream, the razor as what I described, and some replacement cartridges. There's, I believe that says a 5-blade, and a 7-blade. So you can get 5 or 7 refill cartridges. Not bad. Like I said, the only points I won't deduct, I probably won't deduct a couple. Just a couple. Just this mechanism, I'm not really a huge fan of it. You know, I'd rather it just come out, but you know, with the width of a thumb. And it's like it just snaps back on. So as you can see. Breaking shit already. Alright, so far this is a good box from Simblr. I am a fan of coupons, even though I rarely use some of the coupons I get. You know, ain't nothing wrong with getting something discounted, but if you want to pay full price, go ahead and pay full price. It is definitely up to you. So this box is a 8 out of 10. Once again, I'm only deducting points because of the razor. That's it. That's the only 2 points I'll deduct. But that is pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And share this video wherever share cool things. Click the notification bell. Be notified of all my videos. And I have a playlist of all the things I reviewed, from headphones to controllers, wigs, brushes, makeup brushes, any like hair care products. If you want those type of reviews, that's all on the playlist. Now, my most recent review is my most recent review is this beauty right here. You want to learn more about this, please check out that playlist. And that is pretty much it for unboxing today's package. I will see you all next time. Bye.